Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We just came back from our 5-day adventure in Munich and I can't wait to share the incredible pictures and videos with you. If today is your first time here, my name is Manuel Bill, a registered nurse here in the UK. Kindly subscribe for more traveling tips and news. So not long ago, my team and I decided to pass by Munich so that we can just have a cameo appearance at this year's ACE conference. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the pictures and videos. So we applied for our Schengen visas and we were ready for our trip. Here we are getting ready to the airport in our taxi. So we got to Heathrow, we checked in and we were ready to board our flight. So we just got to Munich like roughly in less than 90 minutes. Here I go with my jollof because I was so hungry that I needed to start the day with some jollof. So this was actually the third day. We hit the gym and we did some exercises. Then after the exercises, we decided to pass by the ACE conference so that we can meet some friends and also have some fun in there. So that was Emirates in the train whilst we were going. Valentine was loose because this lady was actually falling for him, but he was looking somewhere else. Anyway, so we finally got to the venue of the ACE conference. We took some pictures and we spoke to a few people and we had fun actually. Let's see who came through. This is Professor Laron Nelson, one of the professors at Yale University in the USA. He gave me my first chance to travel with an ACE conference. And I also met my longtime SHS friend called Jude. So Jude is actually schooling in Munich, and when I told him that I'll be passing through, he came to meet us halfway in Munich. So while Valentine and Emirates were taking pictures at Marienplatz, I came to St. Peter's Church, and it's one of the oldest churches in Munich. I came there to pray with these kids as well, and we had an encounter with God.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
So time was up for us to go home. Our train came in time. We had to go home and prepare for the next day. And as you can see, that's the BMW museum, which is estimated to be around $500 million. We are also on our way to the Nymphenburg Palace. So it's a very nice and beautiful palace, and there is some canal in front of the palace. So this canal was actually constructed by someone called Max Emanuel. So you know, Emanuel's always make the difference. He constructed this very nice canal which was in front of Nymphenburg Palace in Munich. And the next spot was the Allianz Arena. And this was one of the highlights of the whole trip. So we started off with Bayern Munich's trophy museum, and as you can see, they've won a lot of medals. They actually have a lot of trophies, and I wish they can lend some to Manchester United because they actually need trophies. So we went by and we were just going through their gallery, and they have such a nice museum. And guess what picture I saw there? Lionel Messi. So we actually saw a jersey of Messi with his golden boot and his awards somewhere in Bayern Munich's stadium. And these kids actually thought I was a very renowned player, and they kept staring at me, and they told their father that I'm a football player. So at a point I got some unnecessary attention, and I had to hide from the crowd. So from the museum, we decided to go to where the press meets some of the players. And as we were there, you can see this woman. She kept staring at me and she said, "You look like a famous player I know." And I asked her which player and she said, "I can't remember." So we went to the stadium and took some pictures, and whilst we were taking the pictures, I still got that attention again. I had kids coming back to me and telling me that I look like Kudos. So I kept asking them, who do I look like? Yeah, Ghana. Yeah, I'm from Ghana anyway. Yeah.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, we can take.
Ghana, yeah.
I'm from Ghana anyway.
Mohammed Kudus from Ghana.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, we can take. So from the stadium tour, we just went through some of the principal streets in Munich and just went to look at some of the architecture that they have in place after the Second World War. So after the long walk in Munich, we just have to get some food and prepare for the next day. Our trip has ended and we have to leave the next day to Munich airport and fly safely back to UK. So on the 5th day, we had no choice than to fly back to the United Kingdom and come and meet our usual weather. And your guess was right as mine. We got down into London, and can you believe London was wet? It was really cold. We came from somewhere which was 25 degrees to a place which was just like 14 degrees. And that's a wrap up of our 5-day adventure in Munich, from relaxing at Dantabad through Marienplatz and through Allianz Arena Stadium, where I was being called one of the famous players and I had children and adults taking pictures with me. It was really fun and they actually thought I was Mohammed Kudus. So Mohammed Kudus is one of the famous players in Ghana right now and he's at his peak of his career. He plays for West Ham, so they actually thought I was Kudus. But anyway, I enjoyed that little fame and that was it. So guys, thanks for sticking around. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.